Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing the new launches phone Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. It is most advanced Super Note AI with 20 plus AI features. In this video firstly we are discussing about camera. The main camera is 50 MP wide, 8 MP ultra wide and 50 MP telephoto, and front camera is 20 MP. Next we are discussing about the battery of this mobile. Battery is 6200 mAh and 90 watt fast charging. The connectivity feature is Wi-Fi 6 and the type of charger is Type C, and it also supports NFC.THN. We are looking at the display of this mobile. The display size is 6.67 inches and the type is AMOLED. And resolution is 2712x1220. The refresh rate is 120 Hz. The aspect ratio of this phone is 29 and Gorilla Glass Victus protection. PPI density is 400. We are discussing about performance. Chipset is Snapdragon Gen 7. It is Android 14 Hyper OS. RAM 12 or 16 GB. The storage space is 256 or 512 GB. It is IP68 rated, experience flagship level of dust and water resistance pro grade protection for the Super Note.